After the man tell me race, I saw it go my mouth bad. Outside, like I me want the place. Y'all are free, but them can't touch base. From Kingston back to Mobile, and we run the road every day. Car day. Man a beg light, man a beg cloud. Everywhere me go, them have to talk about. You don't know your girl Alicia Amor, one rebel seductress. You know how we say outside, cause I am vibes. Today guys, me super excited. My officer, first of all, manifestation is key. Tell me why I started doing my skits not even knowing where it would end up, and here I am getting a collaboration with the one and only Mr. Nosy Landlord, Melly Time and the crew. Super duper excited. Me don't know about you, but me know about me. This is definitely a great opportunity for me to go outside and show my acting skills. Them don't tell me the role of me I go play already, so I'm kind of aware at that, and I feel like I'm prepared. I feel like I'm boost up like subgene. I'm ready to go. So I'm going to take you guys on set with me, let you meet the cast members, and show you a little bit of what being on set with the crew is like. So if you guys are interested in that, please stick around for the rest of this video. I'm gonna try to see if I can talk with the cast members and get one little, you know, question and answer going. Nothing too major, because you know we go outside and I work where I work, right? So guys, I wanted to show you my fit, but first me telling you the vibes of me I go for. Basically them tell me so I can be myself, and I definitely want to incorporate all of my creative sides in the way how I look today. So when I know some of the music, I'm an artist, and also you guys know that I'm a content creator. So I just go as the hot dolly that me is, the hot rebel dolly that me is. I'm gonna showcase, I'm gonna show out, and I'm gonna see how it come down today, right guys? I'm excited, me excited, you know. And I just want to say before I go, I want to make sure say when I believe in yourself. Yeah, believe in yourself, believe in everything you want to do. Believe and keep on working. Don't listen to the noise. No matter who wants to this, no matter who wants to that, just keep putting in the work, going after your dreams. Remember, you know, remember guys, a success shut up people here. A success shut up people. So no matter how them make a bag of noise, no matter how them doubt you, remember nobody no know your vision. Only you know the vision, and nobody not gonna believe you till you make them believe. So just keep on working, keep putting in the work, keep being consistent, and keep on going after your goals. As usual, my phone in the background I go with a bag of things, but we're outside. I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I wear. My backpack already. When I don't know, I have my little shooting tools them, you know, like my tripod. I'm carrying a mini tripod today, not this big one with the camera dip on, and a little small one so I can move around and rotate. They told me to bring extra clothes. I'm definitely doing that. And what else? You know, just like a knickknacks to keep afloat during the day. So guys, I did a think about one little white sneakers for go with the look, but I'm rocking my combat boots today. Who remember them boots here from Fashion Nova? Yeah, I them me I put on today. We're not gonna see the rest of the look how it come down. All navy shirt, but I'm taking these boots out today because it give creator vibes, it give artist vibes, it give the vibe what me I look for at Dolly outside. Alright, so guys, this is my first acting debut. Would I say it's my first collaboration? No, because I did collaborations with Crank Up and Rolly them, but it's definitely going to be my first acting debut. Guys, just imagine I was doing these skits for fun. If you remember in my last video, I tell them I say I just get up with that spirit for do it, and when the spirit lead, I follow. So can't believe me just said I do it for fun, and now I'm actually getting called to go on the casting with the Nosy Landlord crew and Melly Time and Maintenance Day and the whole of them. But I tell a lie, I keep up with all of them skits and guys, so I actually know everything about it because I am a super fan. And actually, I'm not afraid to talk. They actually motivated me to get into it because when the cinema do them thing, I was like, I actually like this and I want to get into space. So you know, the first thing I did was put my foot out there, put myself out there, and did a couple videos, posted it on my platform just to show people that I am capable of doing this, you know. So it definitely worked. So as I said, we're shooting a few episodes together and I'm definitely taking you guys along with me. So catching up on the road. Alright guys, remember the girl AliciaAmor, one of the seductress. You don't know. And we say outside because I am vibes. So now just continue watch and keep up because you know it's gonna be a vibesy vlog as always. It's ready. Grabbing my bag. My bag guys have all of the goodies. Outside like I'm in one the place. Y'all are pre but them can't touch base. From Kingston back to Mobile, how we run the road every day. Hey! Me no beg like, me no beg cloud. Everyone me gonna have a talk about. Real top girl, me no need shout out. Clean every time, me no left out. Hey, me no take check, me no take press step in the room fast get loud. Them girls struck never run them out. Girl face leave never press sample. My last week them outside. Couple from this make you sing like Jagger. Yeah, you look like Shutter. Them dirty like gutter. Me nah laugh. I got we tried with bun them witchcraft. That our worship will come up to you. Blessed Jesus, oh my. Powerful name. Oh God, I pray amen. Alright guys, so I got the location, but the cast was not there as yet. I'm gonna turn down this. The cast was not there as yet. So I left the location and I am at a beach nearing the spot because I can't stay one place too long. So that. So I'm down at the beach and I think I spoke with Melly and they said they're not gonna be here until the next 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just go and sit down and chill and probably just go and do some editing until them gets here. I go another update here, and after the update I am going to go ahead and do some editing. My shirt is white and guys, if the longer them take to come and the dirtier this shirt gonna look because me's not somebody will love wear white because I love touch up myself. I love touch up myself, touch up my ear, touch up this, touch up that. So I don't know if my shirt I gonna stay white enough. I hope it does because if it look too dirty I gotta change it and put on something else. So anyway, yeah, that's how that. Alright guys, so we are on set. I just reached on the location, so we're gonna kind of go inside now and see where everybody are going with. I'm done making a know, so we're gonna talk to the casting crew a little bit and share a little bit of the vibes, you know. Make sure you stick around if you don't want to see. I know I want a little behind the scenes with the crew, you know. I know I want a little behind the scenes with the crew. So I'm just gonna stick around. We are outside like I'm in one the place. Hey, y'all pre, but we can't touch base. Hey.
This is Claro, this is B-Mobile, and this is Cable Wireless.
And you can put on credit card there?
Cap. She never did something. She will call you from yesterday. You have to come to me. I'm sorry. Just stand up right as a firm and catch me. So stop now. What you want to do?
Mr. Not in the video at all. Man on the side.
A week or something more, you know?
Right, you should have come in at the fair before.
Just tell him get a week. Probably watch the week.
No.
Nobody nothing on my breast.
Jamaican girl love it. Call me the female shopper ranking. Yard and abroad we a set it damn thing. Amor a girl ting. Jamaican girl need Colombian kings. Wine in a dino. Use a bad wine and tie.
Better this is the lieutenant. Where are you in there? bossa?
No man.
Oh, you were just passing
You
by.
know, come and see something. You understand me? You have to be careful. You Mr. Nose? May the good Lord be with you in your new clothes, yeah?
Yes, alright. You alright?
Alright.
Yes, looking like a party animal. Alright. Yeah, you know, you give me what they call it, chankulo. You know, in the suit. Yes. Oh yeah, that was Miss Petal. You know?
What's your problem?
You asked. You asked.
Women.
Someone get me.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon.
So guys, we are finally on set and I'm here with the one and only. We need to introduce him. Guys. You must know him, because I feel TikTok series a trend right now. Mr. Nose, aka Nosy Landlord.
Good afternoon. Are you saved? You know? Yes, I'm here with AliciaAmor, a musician. Not magician, you know, she's a musician. She sings. You alright? But I want to get her closer to the Lord. Alright? Yes,
Maybe.
man.
Maybe.
Thank you for coming. They could leave now, yeah? Alright.
Just like that. Anyway guys, you don't know it come already. Nosy Landlord, we are here. I'm gonna introduce you now to a few more of the cast members. I know I'm excited for this because I don't really see them behind the scenes. Today is a nice little behind the scenes vlog. I'm gonna open and enjoy it. Alright? Where's what up?
Alright people, you don't know, big up AliciaAmor and AliciaAmor TV. You know, big up she.
You know my question for you? Why you watch so often?
Me have to run up this and no pressure. You understand? And me have to, you see the piston from Thunder? Me have to use the water for wash, but me can't make everybody know. You understand?
Maybe I think that two suit and clothes they have and you like keep clean so you have to wash the board every day. That means that I'm still in a board. I'm telling you why I'm always a wash. Anyway, Robert, you don't know Robert, right? From the Nosy Landlord, one of my favorite characters as well. Robert, what's it like shooting with Mr. Nosy?
I'm saying so. See Mr. Nose? You can't make it here though. Mr. Nose? He talk about the Lord, but he doesn't know the Lord. He doesn't know the Lord.
You heard it here first. That Mr. Nose is lying to the crowd. Alright, Robert,
The
big up
truth
his.
is stand.
Yeah, the truth is stand.
They can't come to the house of the Lord. You know?
But everybody invite me at church. I was so.
Yeah man, let's go to church.
Alright, big up yourself, Robert. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm know who don't love it too. Alright, because see who else will have on the scene today. One of my favorite characters in this scene, guys.
Or please don't do my makeup.
Yes, it.
Mr. Nose means.
I know.
I can never flop.
I want to ask you something though.
Ask me.
Where are some of the places that you shop for your outstanding outfits? What I always see I come out in.
You know, so I don't want to reveal it.
Why?
But I'm gonna tell you one thing. I travel for my things then. I travel for my things then.
Far away.
Far.
No,
when my things them come them cold.
You're not seeing nobody right there. Watch
I'm not
it.
show off or nothing.
360 Abdali edition. Alright, Mr. Nosy. Yeah, the
Big up,
scenes.
Uno.
What you got?
So big up AliciaAmor. We want to know, tune in, subscribe and watch our YouTube channel. Big up you.
Big up you.
Alright.
Thank
Good afternoon.
Don't forget the bucket.
Yeah, I go in around by the yard to count the fruits on the tree. You understand? Yes.
I better take a wash.
No, me I put him out.
Guys, as you can see, we are on set. I'm a change. I had on something else, but you don't know where to look the part. Oh, that's so cool, man. I will hope this take sweat. Alright guys, so as you can see my change, I have to look like a nice little Christian girl, you know, for the role I go play. Actually, I'm gonna be in 2 of the videos, 2 different ones. So I'm gonna do now maintenance, so I'm gonna check that out for Melly channel, Melly Time, and I'm going to be in, of course, the famous or the infamous Nosy Landlord. So you know, them say I have to look like a Christian. You know, I'm good in a church clothes, so good to do the best for she can. You know, I'm almost safe. I'm not reached there yet, so don't judge me. So that's what they're fun right now. Of course, I will continue for showing a little more of the behind the scenes and how it come down and things. one sticker. I know I enjoy it. I know I enjoy meeting the cast members. I know I enjoy getting a little of the behind the scenes. So I just go and watch it. Don't know AliciaAmor. One Rebel Seductress. Fan the app. Me and the girls roll out. Wow.
Are we in this?
Why?
It's a floral.
Live. Live.
How can I come out? Can I?
So she's kind of shy, so she's the maid in maintenance, and she is a pretty girl in Mr. No. Yes, she'll take my man. You understand?
Man, I take over here.
Yes.
Alright, shy, you know, have no way one to the people them. You know, want them fucking nowhere.
Shy,
Alright, she really shy.
so I can tell
Me
them.
an artist here, and I'm a terminal actor.
But always hear you say on the show, say he's an artist. But I've never really seen you do anything. And show or nothing. So you don't want to give me a little 1 minute, right? So
Yeah, so I go on in front of them.
we see you loud and clear, your color up
Yeah,
in
man,
a good.
very nice. Really. Give a piece I want to give
I never want them in there. I want you alone want feature up on the camera right now.
Give a piece.
What?
Come, come.
So I left the scene empty. Canada, UK, ready, booking.
1, 2, 3.
Now I can just put on the spot, you
Drop it
know.
like it's hard.
It's over, man. One ready?
Them
Ready, guys? So you not sing?
Everybody ready. Come on,
She run from it. She
No, I'm not running from when I warm up.
Tell her your name.
She shy for true, guys.
Shy.
Tell them your name, man.
You know, so the only place I'm going to share in the studio where someone come out of that in front of people. I don't know.
Wait up on the stage, I know where you not perform good.
Oh, it's I am shy on Instagram, I am shy _ and shy on TikTok.
Alright. Big up yourself, Shy. Keep doing great, okay?
Yeah.
She can't stand up without the record dribble, Shy now. Guys, I'm here again with one of my other favorite cast members on the Nosy Landlord. What else? Because I'm
maintenance, Get Up Fabulous, Baby Father, Baby Mother Drama. What the next one? Gossip Monger, yeah.
Is a full-on actress, guys, and that's why I did have to get her behind the scenes. Who get to know the lady behind all of the motion. Melly time, and I make sure it's on a follow up on Instagram, and I know the badness come down.
Right.
Mel.
Right.
Honestly, I love everything that you do. I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna make sure I say this on camera, because you know we give people them flowers when them forget them flowers.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
So girl, big up you, and thank you for the motivation.
Right.
And I'm pretty sure that she's motivating a lot of other people, like myself. I'm gonna just give her flowers right so on the camera. You understand? Because we're not break man, we build man.
Right.
That's how it goes?
Yeah.
That's all?
Yeah, man. Sure.
It makes sense?
Yeah, it makes sense.
You sure?
Yeah, no. It does. We break them when it's necessary. Yes, so hi guys, it's Petal, Chulups, Queenie. You don't know the whole vibe, and we're out here shooting for you guys. You know, I wasn't well this week, but now I'm back and I'm out on my nice friend AliciaAmor program. You don't know, a pure vibe, and I love her energy already. We're just meeting today, and it's so good. She has a vibe, I tell you. And just continue supporting the vlog. You understand? Support content creators because you guys need it. You know, we're here to entertain and keep you guys happy. So yeah, basically that's what's up.
Support content creators. I'm telling you something, guys. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of hard work that goes into content creating. But know sometimes when I kind of watch a 1 minute vlog and it just or a 1 minute skit and it seems like, oh, you know, them probably just go to some bam that down. A 1 minute skit can take hours to shoot, and not just the shooting. You have to go do the editing, however you edit, color grading, all of that. It takes a lot of work. So that's when the people that charge them money, wanna pay up, spend up.
Yeah.
Because it's not cheap.
Run that money.
Run the moolah, run the moolah.
I love with it, love for it, we have a passion for it, and it's going to be easy. So
very
we just
easy.
love the vibe, and we love that you guys appreciate us from yard and abroad. So yeah.
Yeah, guys, wanna make sure so to tune in to Melly Time and Mr. Nosy Landlord. Follow them on IG. Oh, the IG them go again?
Melly Time on all platforms. Other Vibrant on all platforms.
Make sure to follow because remember said the skit them I go drop with your girl AliciaAmor. I wanna want to this. Gonna need for
and Alicia is a new character in Mr. Nose and Maintenance. So look out for it.
Me a movie!
Start from top, start from top. Maintenance, I will shoot after this.
Take the big you coulda tick, you coulda maga like a stick. Girl, you fat up in a shot like a directory, that is it. Trillions them a cracky, take a sip of the tonic. Body where me have a she, you could be what on it. Hot, scratch pan it, you a drop it. Top right, get somebody hero in a body.
Alright guys, so we are here with the cameraman.
What's up, what's up?
So you know him are the one we get all of the behind the scenes
So
action.
everybody look for me now.
Because I you up on the spotlight now. So you know he's the one that does all the footages for all the skits from the Mr. Nose and Maintenance crew. First of all, I wanted to tell the viewers your name.
Okay, so my name is Notorious. Can find me on like all platforms, Notorious Youth.
So Notorious, how did you get involved with Mr. Nose and the rest of the cast members, and what made you had an interest in, you know, being the man behind the scenes with the camera?
Actually, when we got involved, Mr. Nose is actually my cousin.
In real life?
Yeah,
okay.
blood. So normally we do skits together and stuff like that, and you know, it's just a natural thing. We normally like walk around and take pictures, sceneries, them always custom about it. So it's a natural thing for me.
So him just naturally decides that you have to be the man with the camera. And what's the experience like working with Mr. Nose and Belly and the rest of the cast? What's the experience working with Mr. Nose?
Like when me have video, my jaw them hurt me because me if trying to laugh and them thing, and sometimes, oh god, people always comment, oh you don't laugh, oh you don't laugh. My jaw hurt me, man.
But that's good energy, you know, because we are doing comedic skits most of the time, so we need to have a positive attitude and set. And what's the experience for you? What's your hope for the future with, you know, behind the scenes, shooting the scenes and all of that?
Well, hopes for the future. I would love to get more into it, build on the craft, you know. I use the phone currently, so you know, we like to get into the camera, and while they build, you know, I build with them as well.
What are you doing to show the people that you're out there? You have a page they can follow you on and see your work?
Yes, so I do sometimes post like behind the scenes on TikTok. It's Notorious_Youth. You can find me there to check it out.
Alright, bad. Anything we want to tell the people them?
I don't know, big up and continue to support us. We love you now.
You are going to talk in the camera, mama, not to talk too much.
No, we have over talk when you come here. Yeah, man. You know, I don't know they want to eat off the fruit trees, but they don't want to sweep up the yard. Every time it's the same thing, you know. I don't get it.
Kumbaya.
Yeah, good afternoon. No, we don't do that here. We said let's do line. You guys are what job are we doing?
No man, I'm the couple that
We're the couple that's here for the place.
We were messaging on the WhatsApp phone. Oh, you are the saved couple?
Yes.
I'm the fiance.
Oh, the fiance, not yet married?
We're about to get married. The wedding is very soon. Church bells ringing, all of that coming
very soon.
So Mr. Nose, is it that the
room?
Yes.
Yes man, it is still available. The furniture.
It's a big room, Mr. Nose?
Yes man, but you know, I
can't wait to see it.
Yes, I will.
Yes, so sorry.
You alright, babe?
Yeah man.
Okay. You don't have the food? No, we don't take people.
No man.
Might make the man think we have chicken gun in?
No, it's
5 o'clock.
Kumbaya, my lord.
okay.
Kumbaya.
Choir? No, church and the choir?
Yes.
Okay. You sing for, do you lead the choir?
I sing for God.
I will send you a message about the we cannot bother you today.
So when we can come back?
So
we're ready anytime.
Yes,
It's not gonna feel like you have to tell me, but go with God, you know?
Mr. Nose,
yes, I will go with God. Yeah, but we don't do that.
Come on.
Have a great evening. You know the game?
Tour line sell the same, but
you want to know?
that was although we don't still sell the same.
I'm just see my mouth and go off.
Yeah, the rate that work.
Yeah, it's the 15th per month.
Yeah, I think.
No.
She knows, but look at the camera.
Man, shouting and I said upset me behind you.
No, it's me like it too. And then it remind me, it's this episode me I shared it for them. Yeah, it's so good.
I'm the fiance.
Oh, the fiance, not yet married?
And then him sell it to
Get
the.
married. The wedding is very soon. Church bells ringing, all of that.
Look like she beating.
Very soon.
Come now, talk.
Look like she beating.
The big room is
Look at we get that room here now, guys. Look at me talk my way out of it. After the man tell me rest, I saw it go my mouth bad. Guys, it was so fun being here with you. I enjoyed myself. I hope to be back again. Thank you, Melly, for the opportunity.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.
Alright, got to go, so I'm just saying bye. Guys, it was really fun, them energy nice.
Rika.
Say bye to the people.
Bye everybody. Remember to follow AliciaAmor TV.
It was a vibe.
Follow
Comment.
and subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.
Hello.
Say bye to my
Adios.
boss.
Later to Amor TV, AliciaAmor TV. You know, like, subscribe, and remember to click the bell. You understand? Click the bell, you know.
Thanks.
All right.
Mr. Cameraman. Tell the team by him hard working and don't judge him. He might work from there. Oh, Robert. Please to tell my vlog bye.
My Amor TV.
Robert, you're hungry. I want to eat some chicken.
Stop blind me.
Stop lying now. Alright, it's all over. But thank you for having me. And I hope to be back again.
Hopefully next week.
Alright guys, that was it. We packing our shit up and we are leaving. It was a long day and we did all we came to do. Came, we saw, and the crew said I conquered. So that's that for my first acting debut and sing. Hold on there.
You know the camera turn off, me get shy. Hi guys, I'm Shy. You can follow me at IamShy_ Instagram and Shy on TikTok.
Alright, bye. Say bye to them. Bye. Bye guys. Bye. Bye Shy. Bye. Bye. You still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you.